Simple tool alignment problems, round nose cutter, ball and mill. Before, please calibrate the machine's center point. Only after the center point is correctly calibrated can subsequent parameters be effectively adjusted. After sharpening the knife, if things are not going very well, once we have ruled out any problems with the tool itself, we can make simple adjustments ourselves. Question E. The round nose cutter has an R radius that is too small or has a step. The R corner on the outer side of the edge of the round nose tool is too small. The outer side of the round nose blade has a step. Solution. Enter machine parameters. Note, all upward adjustment values refer to adjustments in the positive direction, and all downward adjustment values refer to adjustments in the negative direction. Each change of 1 in the numerical value represents an actual change of 100 millimeters. Find the regrinding wheel inclination. This value can adjust the size of the R angle. If the R angle is too small, the regrinding wheel inclination should be reduced, and it can be reduced by 0.5 each time. If the round nose tool has steps, need to increase it, and you can increase by 0.5 each time. The arc is too much on the inside, or too much on the outside. The arc opens on the inner side. The arc is too far to the outside. If the arc is too inward, adjust the YB center point in the positive direction, no more than 0.02 at a time. If the outermost side of the arc is too far, adjust the YB center point in the negative direction, not exceeding 0.02 at a time. The radius of the ball and cutter is too large or too small. The arc is slightly small, narrower than a standard circle. The arc is slightly larger, bigger than a normal circle. The ball and cutter arc is slightly small. Adjust the Y slotting center towards the positive, no more than 0.02 at a time. The ball and cutter arc is slightly too large. Adjust the Y slotting center towards the negative, no more than 0.02 at a time.